Cloud Quest City is innovating in a new way. Introducing AWS Cloud Quest Generative AI, a new learning role available on AWS Skill Builder. Dive into AI concepts like prompt engineering, code generation, and fine-tuning LLMs to create cutting-edge generative AI applications. Unlock the full potential of generative AI with Amazon Bedrock and practice building with advanced large language models. Throughout this learning role, you'll acquire invaluable knowledge on seamlessly integrating AI services, providing guidance as you construct secure and scalable Gen AI solutions. After completing all assignments, you'll earn a verifiable Generative AI Digital AWS badge. Share it with your peers to demonstrate your expertise with AWS AI services. Sign up for an AWS Skill Builder subscription and embark on your quest.